Hey guys, let's talk about Bing ChatGPT. What is Bing ChatGPT? Bing ChatGPT is a groundbreaking new feature that uses the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to understand and respond to user queries with human-like responses. This feature is a part of Bing's conversational search technology and represents a significant step forward in the evolution of search engine. By leveraging advanced natural language processing and machine learning techniques, Bing ChatGPT can interpret the context and the intent behind user queries and provide personalized and relevant responses. With Bing ChatGPT, users can engage in a more natural and conversational way of interacting with search engines, allowing for a more efficient and effective search experience. Bing ChatGPT works by leveraging an AI model called GPT-3, which is a language model developed by OpenAI. When a user enters a query into Bing ChatGPT, the system uses NLP techniques to analyze the query and understand the context and the intent behind it. Bing ChatGPT, when applied this knowledge to generate a personalized and relevant response that is tailored to the user's needs. Bing ChatGPT also has the ability to carry on a natural and human-like conversations with users, allowing for a more efficient and engaging search experience. It is designed to continuously learn from user interactions, improving its ability to provide accurate and relevant responses over time. Now, let's see how Bing ChatGPT improves search results. It does it by providing personalized, context-aware responses that are tailored to the user's needs. Traditional search engines rely on keyword-based queries to retrieve relevant results, which can sometimes lead to inaccurate or irrelevant results. With Bing ChatGPT, users can ask complex or multi-part questions in a more natural way, and the system can understand the intent and the context behind the queries. This allows Bing ChatGPT to provide more accurate and relevant results, which improves the overall search experience for the users. Overall, Bing ChatGPT represents a significant improvement over traditional search engines as it provides a more natural and personalized search experience that is tailored to the needs of the user. So, what can we use Bing ChatGPT for? Well, we can use it for personalized recommendations, for quick answers, for complex queries, for education. Overall, Bing ChatGPT has the potential to be used in a wide variety of applications and is particularly useful for scenarios where users need personalized and context-aware responses. The future of conversational search is promising as advancements in natural language processing, or NLP, and artificial intelligence are making it possible for search engines to understand and respond to human-like queries. In the near future, we can expect to see conversational search become more sophisticated and intelligent as search engines continue to leverage the power of NLP and AI to provide more personalized and accurate results. Some potential advancements in conversational search might include: Number 1. Multimodal search. Conversational search could evolve to incorporate multiple modalities, such as text, voice, and visual inputs. This could enable more natural and intuitive interactions with search engines, allowing users to search for information in a more flexible and convenient way. Number 2. Context-aware search. Search engines could become more context-aware, taking into account the user's location, search history, and preferences to provide more personalized and relevant results. This could enable search engines to anticipate the user's needs and provide more accurate and timely information. Number 3. Multi-step queries. Conversational search could evolve to handle multiple step queries, allowing users to engage in a more complex and dynamic dialogue with search engines. This could enable users to explore topics in more depth and receive more details and nuanced information. Number 4. Integration with other services. Conversational searches could be integrated with other services and applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and smart home devices. This could enable users to perform more complex tasks and access information across a wider range of platforms and devices. Overall, the future of conversational search is exciting, and we can expect to see continued advancements in the area as search engines and AI technology continue to evolve. Overall, the future of conversational search is exciting, and we can expect it to see continued advancements in this area as search engines and AI technology continue to evolve. In conclusion, Bing ChatGPT represents a significant step forward in the evolution of conversational search, enabling users to engage with search engines in a more natural, intuitive, and personalized way. With its advanced AI and natural language processing capabilities, Bing ChatGPT can understand and respond to even the most complex and nuanced queries, providing users with accurate and relevant information in real time. Whether you're looking for a quick answer to simple questions or need more in-depth information on a particular topic, Bing ChatGPT has the potential to transform the way you interact with search engines. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits of conversational search engines for yourself? With Bing ChatGPT, you will be able to search the web like never before, getting the information you need in the most natural and intuitive way possible. So I hope this video on Bing ChatGPT has been helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys next time.